Hi guys, Vinny with the Enriquez Group, your San Diego real estate source. If you're looking to buy or sell in San Diego, give myself or the team a call. Today, wanted to go over what is the earnest money deposit. So, earnest money in the context of San Diego real estate refers to a sum of money that a buyer provides as a show of good faith to the seller when making an offer to purchase the property. Typically, when the buyer finds a property they want to purchase, they'll make an offer to the seller through the real estate agent. As a part of the offer, the buyer will include an amount of earnest money deposit that they will pay. If the seller accepts the offer, the earnest money deposit will be held in escrow until the sale of the property is completed. At the point, the earnest money deposit will be applied towards the buyer's down payment or closing costs. If the sale does not go through due to a breach of contract by the buyer, the earnest money may be forfeited to the seller as compensation for taking the property off the market during the time period that it was under contract. It's important to know that the amount of the earnest money required can vary depending on the property, the market conditions, the seller preferences. In San Diego, though, it's common for earnest money to be between 1% to 3% of the purchase price, and it can vary. Now, there is the ability to back out of escrow and receive your earnest money deposit if the structure of your offer allows it, and that's something you want to talk to your realtor about. But if you have any questions about this or any other topics we've talked about in the past, feel free to give me a call, 858-345-7829. We'd love to be your real estate team in San Diego.